Working hard to make people happy is our first priority. Sharing the praise when someone takes the time to appreciate our efforts is a luxury. Here's what one person had to say. This is one of our favorite reviews. We really take every effort to make lasting impressions for each and every individual, and it's great to see that our hard work is paying off. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star service to work for you today. Come experience the difference. Thank you for dropping in today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Contact us soon and let us give you the same amazing service.